Welcome in set classes. Today we are going to start a new question of exercise number 2.2. बराबर? तो verify whether the following is polynomial at zero of the polynomial. मतलब it means that the polynomial is given and zeros are given. So you have to put the values of x in polynomial. The answer should be 0. If answer is 0, then it is 0 of the polynomial, right? So I am going to put the value of x in polynomial first. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 3, right? So this is the relation of multiplication. So 3 will be cancelled. So 3 cancel. So here minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. The answer is 0. Means it is the 0 of polynomial. So you have to write here, it is the 0 of polynomial, right? Once again, understand here, x is equal to minus 1 upon 3, you have to put in the polynomial bracket. 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 0, answer is 0, means it is the 0 of the polynomial. Second one, x square minus 1 polynomial. What is the value of x? 1 and minus 1. So you have to find out two values. Barabar? X is equal to 1. So put here x is equal to 1. So what will be the answer? 1 square means 1 minus 1, it is also 0. It means that it is also the 0 of the polynomial. Now put minus 1 in this polynomial. So p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 square. So minus 1 square 1. Why? Because the power is even. So answer will be 1. 1 minus 1, it is also 0. So this is the zeros of the polynomial. Next, x is equal to 4 upon 5. You have to put instead of x. Here is the x. So 5 bracket 4 upon 5 minus pi. So 5 will be cancelled. So what is the answer? 4 minus pi. So you know what is the value of pi? So 22 by 7. So 4 minus 22 by 7. So it will be not 0. Right? So 7 4 ja 28 minus 22 upon 7. So 6 upon 7. It is not 0. So it is not 0 of the polynomial. So here you will write it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Next, px is equal to x plus 1, x minus 2. You cannot put directly in this bracket. Barabar? We have also studied in the previous exercise. This is the, you have to expand both the brackets. This is not a plus b, a minus b. You have to open the bracket x with bracket x minus 2 plus 1 with bracket x minus 2. Barabar? X plus 1, so x you have to multiply with bracket and plus 1 you have to multiply with bracket. Barabar? We have also seen this in the previous chapter. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. So answer will be x square. So both variable are same. So you have to subtract 2 minus 1. So minus x. Minus 2. Understood? Minus 2 plus 1. You have to subtract and put the bigger one sign. X square minus x minus 1. This is the polynomial. Now you can put minus 1 and 2. Thereafter you can decide it. So put here minus 1. Minus 1 square. Minus, this is minus separate. And the value of x is also minus and minus 2. So first you have to simplify the power. 1 square, answer will be 1. Why? Because the power is even. 2 times minus means plus. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 0. So this is the 0 of the polynomial. When the 0 comes, it means it is the 0 of the polynomial. Barabar? So you can do like this by putting a value of 2. Next, x square is equal to, so you have to put 0 here, so answer will be 0. Easy. X is equal to 0, square means 0. it is the 0 of the polynomial. Next, Lx plus m, x is equal to minus m upon m. Barabar? You don't have to fear about it. You have to put the value of x in the polynomial. Whatever given, x is equal to minus m upon l plus m. Understood? Got it? The l cancel because it is numerator and denominator. So it can be cancelled. So what will be remaining? Minus m plus m. So it will be also 0. Why? Plus m minus m will be cancelled. So this is the zeros of the polynomial. Right? Next, x is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. So you have to put here minus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1. Barabar? X square. So here it will be also square. You know what is the root 3 square? It means, I told you, root 3 square means square root sign will be removed. So 3 minus 1 square. So 1 root 3 square. 3 cancel. 1 minus 1, it means 0. So this is also 0 of the polynomial. Barabar? You can also put the 2 by root 3 in this value. So p of 2 by root 3 equal to 3 bracket 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. Here 2 square 4 root 3 square 3 cancel. The answer will be 4 minus 1, so 3. So it is not 0. Answer is not 0. So it is not the 0 of the polynomial. In short, in this question you have to take out the answer of polynomial 0. If it is 0, then it is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay.